Let's cook another easy, delicious Asian noodles. Sauté garlic and onion, add the pork, liver, fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, water, pepper, seasonings, carrots, bell pepper, noodles, and the cabbage. Let it continue on cooking for 3 minutes. Another easy homemade recipe to enjoy.
Okay, let's have Asian dish today. Soak the rice noodle in a warm water for 5 minutes, then toast the pork, add the carrots, rice noodles, add soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, seasonings, cabbage, and let it cook for 2 minutes. It's done. Another homemade recipe to enjoy.
Here's another way of cooking pancit guisado. Soak the rice noodles. Sauté the garlic and onion, add the chicken and liver, the fish sauce and pepper, then the vegetables, add water, oyster sauce, and the rice noodles. And lastly, the cabbage. I hope you learn and enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's the traditional way of cooking Filipino dish pancit guisado. Soak the rice noodles in a warm water for 5 minutes. Boil a boneless chicken with salt, remove and pulled out. Now sauté garlic, onion, chicken, and the other vegetables and seasonings. Continue on cooking for 2 minutes, then add the cabbage. I hope you learned from today's recipe. Enjoy your cooking. Let's cook pancit with tofu today. First, fry tofu and set aside. In same pan, fry another tofu, garlic, onion, vegetables, water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, seasonings, rice noodles, and lastly, cabbage. I hope you liked today's recipe. Friends, don't forget to put likes and subscribes.
Okay, let's have Asian dish today. Soak the rice noodle in a warm water for 5 minutes, then toast the pork, add the carrots, rice noodles, add soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, seasonings, cabbage, and let it cook for 2 minutes. It's done. Another homemade recipe to enjoy. Let's cook another easy Asian recipe. Soak the rice noodles in hot water for 5 minutes. Then cut the tofu into cubes. In a pan, add ginger and tofu. When it's turned into brown, remove and set aside. On same pan, sauté garlic, add dried mushrooms, carrots, cabbage, salt, oyster sauce, soy sauce, pepper, tofu, rice noodles, and mung bean sprouts. Another easy homemade recipe to enjoy.